Provinces of Zhejiang, Fujian, and Jiangxi in East China have been battered by the monster typhoon. The State Flood Control and Drought Relief Headquarters said on Monday that as many as over 3 million people have been affected and some 110,000 hectares of crops damaged. The direct economic losses are estimated at some $1.43 billion. The typhoon proved the most deadly in Zhejiang, with 14 people dead. 4 others are still missing. In Fujian, where the typhoon made landfall on Saturday, 3 people were killed and a village official was swept away by floodwater and remains missing. Some 3,000 houses have been destroyed and large areas of crops damaged. The bad weather has also forced over 500,000 to evacuate. It also takes a heavy toll on the local economy.
The net cages were torn and the large yellow quokkas were almost all gone. Only about 1 or 2% of them have been spared. I have invested a total of around 2 million yuan, but now I can only get back some 100,000 yuan.
In Anhui, things are no better. Over 550,000 people and 19,600 hectares of crops have been affected. Hundreds of houses collapsed and thousands more were damaged. Although Typhoon Soudelor has been downgraded to a tropical storm since it landed, the bad weather is expected to continue in the coming days. Jiangsu, Anhui, Zhejiang, Hubei, and the city of Shanghai will have to brace for more heavy rains.